Today, I'll show you how to set up Acuity Scheduling. Fantastic tool to streamline your booking process. Whether you're running a small business, offering services as a freelancer, or managing a larger team, Acuity Scheduling can help you organize your appointments efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to define the services you offer. This step is crucial because it allows your clients to book exactly what they need without any confusion. Start by considering the variety of services you provide. Think about what your clients typically ask for and how you can categorize these offerings. This step sets the foundation for a seamless booking experience. Once you've identified your services, it's time to categorize them. Acuity Scheduling provides you with a few options to choose from: one on one sessions, group classes, or packages/subscriptions. If you're offering personalized consultations or individual appointments, one on one sessions are perfect for you. And for those who conduct classes or workshops with multiple attendees, group classes are the way to go. And if you offer a series of sessions or ongoing subscriptions, then packages or subscriptions can help you manage those efficiently. Selecting the right category ensures that your clients can easily book the service that best fits their needs. Next, it's important to dive into the specifics for each type of service you offer. For every service, you need to specify a name, duration, and price. The name should be clear and descriptive so clients immediately know what they're booking. Whether it's a 30-minute consultation or a 2-hour workshop, make sure the duration accurately reflects the time commitment required. As for the price, transparency is key. Displaying the cost upfront helps manage client expectations and reduces any potential misunderstandings. Additionally, enhancing your service listings with visuals can greatly improve the client's booking experience. You have the option to add a description and an image for each service. Think of the description as a brief summary that provides additional details about what the service entails. This can include what clients should prepare beforehand or any specific outcomes they can expect. Adding an image can also be beneficial as it gives clients a visual reference that might make the service more appealing or easier to recognize. Make sure your images are high quality and relevant to the service offered. As you set everything up, remember that the goal is to make the booking process as straightforward as possible for your clients. By clearly defining your services, organizing them into appropriate categories, and providing detailed information, you create a user-friendly experience that can save you time and enhance client satisfaction. And there you have it. You've now learned how to set up Acuity Scheduling, ensuring your clients can easily book appointments with you. By following these steps, you'll not only improve your scheduling efficiency, but also provide a seamless experience for your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.